Welcome to our channel. Today at Wholesale Supplies Plus, we're doing a smell test. In case you didn't see yet, we have 10 new fragrances here at WSP. And today we're gonna talk about them and smell them. Okay, so first we are going to do Blue Skies and Cardigans. I haven't gotten to smell these yet, so this will be super interesting. And then we have Gia to verify my answers and responses in the background. So, okay.
Oh, I smell a little citrus in here.
Very fresh.
Very tranquil. It smells like air, like a nice breeze.
Ozonic.
Oh, that's definitely something that's like it's like an afternoon evening scent.
Is there water? Salt?
Pineapple. Smell like summertime too. I like this one too.
There's cottonseed and tangelo, meadow grass, fern leaf, lavender and violet leaf, warm amber and solar musk.
It's a good one. I feel like it would go best in a room freshener. Definitely like that clean smell. Next we have cinnamon sugar brulee.
First note, cinnamon.
Warm, definite. There's obviously cinnamon in it.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Like caramel.
Very much like a kitchen scent. I would say like
Baking, like baking cakes or something like that.
And brown sugar.
There's red raspberry, creme brulee. I said that wrong, creme brulee. Cinnamon, walnut, clove, vanilla, and crystallized sugar.
Okay, Fern and Moss. There's obviously Fern and Moss. Oh, this one smells really good.
I don't know.
Smells like fern. It smells like a tree.
an evergreen tree.
Also very fresh.
Definitely has like an outdoor masculine.
That one's like very outdoorsy.
Smells like grass, spring vibes.
It's crisp mountain air, lemon peel, grapefruit, forest fern, cool eucalyptus, soft moss, mahogany, white cedar, and Siberian fir.
Next we have Gilded Autumn. I feel like I remember smelling this one.
Pie.
Cinnamon,
Cinnamon,
Ooh, smells like a pop.
vanilla,
like an apple orchard.
This one's definitely more fall.
maybe clove.
It's, I don't know if I'm gonna say this correctly, golden quince,
Mm-hmm.
brown sugar, clove bud, cassia leaf, ground nutmeg, white patchouli, applewood, golden amber, and vanilla musk.
Okay, next, Iridescent Snowflake. I love the ones where you have no idea, like you would have no idea what was in it.
Oh, that's nice.
Smells like a pine cone a little bit.
I honestly have no idea.
Ooh. Rose, maybe?
A little bit leathery too.
I got nothing other than it smells really nice and I like it.
Maybe a little lilac.
Again, it's very outdoorsy.
It's also very fresh.
There's a winter melon,
Oh, melon, melon.
lavender, frosted spruce, snow blossom, mint, galbanium, and pine.
Next is Mahogany Balsam.
It's a nice masculine scent.
Oh my gosh, it smells good. It smells very woodsy.
Such a spice.
There's almost like a cottony smell to it.
It's very casual.
It smells like very fall.
Be a good candle.
I would say pine needles of some sort.
Very masculine.
Again, like a little date night fragrance.
There's green balsam, juniper berries, lemon, lavender, fir needle, eucalyptus, vanilla,
Eucalyptus.
cedar, and rich mahogany.
Pumpkin cold foam.
I like it, but I like pumpkin and coffee, so for me, this is a win.
Pumpkin.
It is really creamy smelling.
Cream, like a whipped cream.
That's very nice.
This reminds me of Halloween right here.
It's very vanilla-y.
Nutmeg.
Almost like a whipped cream.
Like the fall. It reminds me of the fall time.
Vanilla cold foam, whipped cream,
Oh.
pumpkin latte, orange zest, oat milk, and nutmeg.
All right, so next we have White Birch and Tonka.
really sure what I smell, but it smells good.
I'd say like almost in the woods, kind of in the mix between like summer and fall.
Maybe honey?
It has a sweet smell.
Smell like something you'll smell in the summertime.
Maybe vanilla.
That one has lemon, neroli, lily of the valley, warm suede, patchouli, chestnut, vanilla, birchwood, and tonka bean.
Ooh, we love that. I love tonka in almost anything. Winterberry Prosecco.
That's nice.
Prosecco.
Is it like raspberry or blueberry?
Cranberry.
This one's very fruity.
And it does smell like berry.
Prosecco.
Kind of have like an effervescence on it.
The produce department, I like the grocery store.
Champagne and orange, currant and rosemary sprig, Concord grape and cranberry, along with musk and vanilla.
Lastly, we have woodland cashmere. I love a good cashmere smell.
Woodsy but soft.
Definitely cashmere.
But it's very soft.
Very masculine.
I don't know, like a country club or some like really dark club and you're drinking like a whiskey.
Just like a cozy home.
Like when a beautiful woman walked past.
Kind of has like a smoky smell.
I kind of like being in the woods in a blankie. I like it.
Like woodsy, oaky.
Crushed fallen leaves, clove, lingering smoke haze, charred firewood embers, juniper berries, cinnamon stick, amber woods, patchouli, and vanilla bean.
Wow. That concludes our smell test for our new Fall/Winter 2024 fragrances. If you've tried them, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.